Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wolt app. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about the application of Wolt. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.